Welcome back, everybody. Derrick Sue, your East Oakland advocate. Well, there's good news for those of you that are having trouble with hearing and can't afford the cost of going to an audiologist or a hearing aid clinic and paying $1,100 to $1,500 for a set of hearing aids. And we know that there are over-the-counter hearing aids, but they're not really the greatest, but they do work. But just uh, last Friday, September 13th, yes, Friday the 13th of 2024, the FDA, Food Drug Administration, approved Apple AirPods Pro 2 as uh, hearing aids, and also uh, the AirPods 4 series for hearing aids. And here's the great part: you're not going to have to go to a hearing aid clinic to get all the things that you need, and then the follow-up care is included in a hearing aid. How do I know that? Because my dad had hearing aids. He hated wearing his hearing aids because of they weren't comfortable for him, he says, and they sounded too buzzy. And that's part of the problem with some plans, because they have limitations on how much they will pay, and the types of hearing aids even. So this one, the AirPods, let me tell you a little bit about the AirPods. I was looking them up on at my Apple store. The new uh, AirPod Pro 2 has been approved as hearing aids, and the cost for those is $249 a pair. So that's, the price is very reasonable. And how they did that was that it has environmental sound transparency, adaptive audio, and so that makes it really interesting, because that means that it also transmits and puts into your ear all the sounds that are going on around you. And this is great with the new um, technology that's come out, uh, and it protects your hearing from sharp and loud noises, because it won't amplify those. It has an automatic cutoff, so it actually protects your hearing. So that's a good thing. Kind of the downside is that it only gives you 6 hours of battery life on them. So at some point, you're going to have to take them out, or take one out and charge it uh, for a little bit. Uh, it is IP54, dust, sweat, and water resistant. So it's not waterproof, so that means that you can't drop it in the water, but normal sweating and normal atmospheric moisture won't destroy it. Uh, a nice feature about these that you don't get with a hearing aid is that you can locate a lost hearing piece. It has a locate missing feature. So when you pair it with an Apple iPhone, like I have, you just go to Find My feature on your iPhone, and you can locate the missing earpiece. It'll show you where it's pinging from. Uh, and so in transparency mode, you can hear the world around you. You can hear conversations of people all around you, and that is with that comes with the basic one, the which is the AirPods fourth generation, and that one starts at $179, so still very reasonable. It gives you that transparency mode, and on both AirPods, conversation awareness. So if you are listening to music or something uh, from your iPhone, and it's playing through your AirPods, you can just start talking to the person, and the volume automatically lowers to uh, the transparency mode, but it keeps the music, but it's really dimmed down so that it's not annoying or bothering you. And then once you finish your conversation, it will come back up to the volume that you had. So it has a voice recognition feature, which is really nice. And that's on both the AirPods fourth generation and Apple AirPods Pro 2. So from $179 to $249, you can get an FDA approved hearing aid and adjust it to your needs. And this is a really nice feature, especially for those with low income or on a fixed income, and for those that are homeless. Thanks for joining me. That's the thing that just came about last Friday, so you can save yourself a whole lot of money and get much better hearing for less money. Thanks for joining me today. This has just been a service message for everybody. Thanks for joining me. We'll be right back.